Welcome back to channel guys, welcome back to the another video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about iOS 26.3 beta 3 after using it for 24 hours. So in this video I will be talking about the battery life, and also I will be talking about the performance and sharing the Geekbench score. So without any further delay, let's get dive into this video. So we will start with definitely the battery life. So I will get into settings and let me go back all the way into the battery section. Let the battery starts load. Go over here, and this is the day when I was using iOS 26.3 beta 3. Now as you can see, I used around 85%, which is instead usually I don't use this device much, but yes, I did use it. I used it for 85%, and I guess that I got more than 9 hours of screen on time. It was even the first day of 26.3 beta 3, even though 24 hours were gone, but still getting amazing battery life. We all know that iOS always take a couple of days to get stable, but still on the very first day, getting this much screen on time is insane. So 9 hours and 26 minutes is amazing for an update that is still in the beta. So this is very nice. Now during this time, I used different sort of applications. I was active on YouTube. I was watching different sort of videos. I was also active on App Store, updating my apps and all those stuff. I was also active on Threads, posting stuff and seeing what people reaction is regarding the updates, as so many updates were out. And also I was a bit of active on Instagram, WhatsApp, and I also used Blackmagic Cam to shoot 4K video for other videos. So yeah, I use my device much. As you can see, so many apps, as it is under 100%, 85%, 9 hours of screen on time. Amazing. This is a really good screen on time. I am very happy with the screen on time after 24 hours of iOS 26.3 beta 3. Now I want to talk about the performance. Now in terms of performance, I haven't faced any sort of issue. No lags at all. It is buttery smooth. Everything is working fine. Like, not a single issue I have faced yet. It is so much, amazing. Definitely want to share some Geekbench score with you guys. So I will get into the Geekbench CPU, benchmark CPU. Over here, I got 3439 on a single core and 8762 on a multi-core. Now, both scores are higher than the average one, as you can see. But these are not the best scores. I used to get even better scores. But again, it's just 24 hours, and I do believe when I do a 3-day review video, scores will definitely get better. But still, these scores are really good. Even these scores are better than the last year iOS 18, which is very nice. I also ran the GPU battle score, and it seems GPU battle score is amazing. And once again, it is more than 28,000. It is 28,367, and that is way higher than the average one. It is slightly lower than the beta 2, but again, it like I ran for the very first time, and when I do, like after using it for a while, I'm definitely getting a much better scores. I will be showing more scores in a 3-day review video that will come after 3 days. So yes, so far things are really nice on iOS 26.3 beta 3. So far, talk about the battery life and performance. Now the big question is, should you update? Now for the people who are already using the beta 2 of 26.3, definitely go and install the update. Now the people who are using the public releases like iOS 26.2, there is an update 26.2.1. You can install that update. But if you want to try out 26.3, definitely you will also install the betas. You need to get the beta profile because it's a good update. It's not a bad update. I haven't faced any sort of issues. So you can install this update. Well, now I'm gonna go for the conclusion of this video. So far, I talk about the battery life. Battery life is great. I am getting a really good screen on time. As you can see, I'm very happy with how the battery is going on this device. I also talk about the performance. Performance is also really good. It is decent, getting decent scores, better than the last year iOS 18. And in the end, I talk about should you update or not, and definitely you can update if you want to. Well, this is all from this short and simple video. I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.